Interested in opening a Treasury account for your business, trust, or nonprofit? This walkthrough will show you exactly how to get started, step by step. If you're new to iTrustCapital, you'll need to create an iTrustCapital account before opening your Treasury account. Creating an account is simple and easy. Check out our Getting Started video to learn how. Here's what you're going to need: your legal business name, entity type, federal employer identification number, and registered business address. From your dashboard, find the Treasury Account section and click Open Account. You'll first be asked to review the terms of service and accompanying guidelines. Once you've read through, check the box to confirm and select the green button to proceed. On the following screen, complete the business information section. Please note, your registered business address must be located in the U.S. to qualify. When finished, click the green button to continue. Finally, review all your information, check the box to confirm, and proceed. Be sure to have your business documents on hand. You may need them later for verification. Congratulations, your Treasury account is now open. Your submission is under review, and we'll contact you if any additional information is required. Need more assistance? You can contact our client experience team by submitting a support request or calling us directly via the link and number in the description below.